Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen. Today, we're diving into the world of savory goodness with a mouth-watering recipe. An incredible one-pan braised beef shanks with a symphony of vegetables. Before we get started, make sure to check the description box below for all the ingredients and measurements. In a small mixing bowl, we start with a magical blend of olive oil, oyster sauce, soy sauce, black pepper, and thyme. Mix it up until you've got a tantalizing marinade that's about to transform our beef shanks into perfection. Grab your food brush and generously coat those beautiful 1-inch thick beef shanks. We want every nook and cranny to be infused with this deliciousness. Now, let's head over to the stove. In a large heavy skillet over medium heat, add a splash of oil. Once it's sizzling, toss in julienne diced onions and sauté until they're tender. Create a flavor haven by making a little well in the center, and drop in those sliced garlic cloves. Sauté until you catch that irresistible garlic aroma, then give it a good mix. Here comes the star of the show, our marinated beef shanks. Lay them gently in the skillet, followed by a hearty pour of beef broth. When it starts to dance with excitement, toss in a couple of bay leaves, cover it up, lower the heat, and let the magic begin. After an hour of simmering bliss, uncover and give those shanks a flip. Trust me, the aroma alone will have you counting down the minutes. While our beef shanks are soaking up all that goodness, let's prepare a symphony of vegetables to join the party. In a large mixing bowl, toss together sliced potatoes, carrots, leeks, red and green bell peppers, olive oil, black pepper, thyme, and chili flakes and give it a good mix. This vibrant mix is about to bring a burst of color and flavor to our dish. After 2 hours of simmering perfection, it's time to introduce our veggie ensemble to the skillet. Cover it up once again and let it dance in harmony for another half hour. And there you have it, our one-pan braised beef shanks with a symphony of vegetables. The beef is fork tender, the veggies are bursting with flavor, and your kitchen is filled with the aroma of pure culinary delight. I hope you enjoyed this journey as much as I did. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more heavenly recipes, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious moment here at Heaven's Kitchen. And always remember, good food brings good mood. Until next time, happy cooking!